Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. Now for today I'm not going to be doing any makeup tutorial. As you must have guessed from the title, we are going to be reviewing a hairstyling tool. This is something that I've recently got my hands on. It's called the Alan Truman Blow Brush. It looks like this. So this is a blow dryer and a brush in one, which is such a genius product. I think this is going to solve a lot of problems for us girls. And yeah, I mean, this is not any sponsored video. I'm just sharing my view because I totally enjoyed using this and this has solved a lot of problems for me. You're going to see that very soon in the video. So this comes in a big box like this. It's a cardboard box. It comes with a 6-month warranty, and I think you can extend this to 1 year if you register the product on the Alan Truman website. And yeah, of course there's a small booklet also, which I'm sure I must have just misplaced somewhere. And this has 3 heat settings: high, medium and low. Now you can actually use this very conveniently on towel dried hair. What I would suggest is that you just detangle your hair a little bit and then use this. You can use this as a normal brush. It is so convenient. Now before we get into how to use it, I just want to quickly give you a brief of my hair type. So I used to have curly hair and I've got hair smoothing done. That is the reason my hair is kind of straight. But what happens with smoothing is it's a chemical treatment, right? It's going to last for a few months and then you have to get root touch-ups done. What I mean is after say 3 to 4 months, when you have like the new hair growing in, it's going to have the same texture as that of your old hair. So basically it's again a chemical treatment every 6 to 9 months or sometimes once a year, depending on the kind of hair growth that you have. So personally I have got root touch-ups done at least 3 to 4 times, and now I've come to a stage where I want to stop doing it, but at the same time I want my hair to look really presentable. So when I say that I want to stop doing it, you can't just stop doing it because your hair will look kind of funny. There'll be some curly hair here and the hair that you had got smoothing done will be straight, so it looks very odd and you have to kind of find a solution. So what I want to do is I want to let my hair grow back to its natural texture, and then once it grows to a good length, I want to chop this long straight hair that I have. Okay, so this is going to be a long process, and until then, right, what can we do? So obviously you can blow dry, you can curl your hair, you can do all sorts of things, but on a daily basis, or say when you're in a hurry and you want to get ready, I think I was constantly looking for something that would help me just straighten my hair from the roots and kind of give me that blow dried straight effect. Okay, so that's where I came across this particular product, and to be very honest, I had seen some viral ad on Facebook where there were models using a similar kind of a blow brush and it was giving them a very nice blow dried effect, and that intrigued me and I really wanted to try this product. But when I clicked on those ads and I saw there was no brand or anything mentioned over there, so I was really skeptical. I didn't want to spend that kind of money into buying something that I'm not aware of. So what I did was I just went to the Alan Truman website, because I've been using their other hairstyling tools and I totally love them. I use them professionally as well, so I just thought that why not check it out if they might have a similar product. And to my surprise they did, and I was so happy. There were I think 3 colors. There was pink, there was green, blue, whichever color you like you can buy. So now talking about the price point, this comes for 3499, but there will be offers if you check across on Amazon, Flipkart, on Myntra. It was available on Nykaa also, but I think it's out of stock, and it's also there on the brand website and they have a good offer even there. So if you want to purchase, you can purchase directly from the brand website or wherever you get a good deal from. I personally have got mine from Myntra because they had a very good offer at that point of time. Now to just quickly mention some features, this comes with 3 heat settings, which is low, medium and high. I personally use it on medium to high because I have a lot of texture in my hair from the roots. So in that case I generally use the high and the medium heat settings. So you can choose whichever depending on the kind of hair that you have and the purpose that you're using this for. Now with all that being said, let me quickly show you how to use this product. Okay, so to begin with, I've just partitioned my hair and I've sectioned them using these section clips. Now I'm going to show you how to use this brush in this particular section. I have actually overcombed my hair a little, so the texture is looking like this, but otherwise there are a lot of curls over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just use a heat protectant spray before I use the brush, and I'm just gently rubbing it through my hair. So I'm just going to begin with the brush now, and I'm setting the heat to medium high. Here's the sound. So at first I'm just going to roughly brush my hair using this blow brush just to see what happens. Now when you use this brush, just move the brush a little slow so that it gets the time to actually work on your hair. I'm just taking smaller sections and moving it along. Okay, now in this section is where you will see the actual difference. Now can you see how smooth that was? This brush is very easy to use. I mean, now I'm just going to quickly finish this particular section. So I'm just focusing this brush from the roots towards the midsection because that's where I have to address the texture of my hair. I don't have any texture or any curls towards the end of my hair. But if you have like long curly hair, then you will have to like run the brush along towards the end. Now wasn't that simple? I'm almost done with this section now. I'm just putting this off. And I'm going to remove the section clips now from behind and quickly finish this side. So I've just increased the speed of the video so that you don't have to like wait along. And of course you're not hearing the noise that the brush makes, but that's okay. I mean, it's nothing compared to the noise that the actual blow dryer makes. I mean, can you see it's very easy to even like go behind, towards your neck region and even brush your hair from there. It's just a little difficult while you're shooting because I need to ensure that I'm in the frame and I'm able to look in the mirror as well. So not so easy to shoot, but I'm sure that you're able to understand what I'm trying to say. So I'm just quickly finishing this for my entire hair, and you're going to see the difference right in front of you. With that I'm done. I am just going to brush my hair with this paddle brush again by Alan Truman. Can you see how smooth my hair has become from where we started to the texture of my hair right now? I mean, to me it was unbelievable when I first used it, and I never thought that blow drying would be so easy. You can see it's added so much of volume, and the texture that I had, it's smoothened it out to such a great extent. I'm really happy. Now I am just going to use a little bit of hair serum to just control the frizz that I might have. This is by TG. Okay, no, I did not buy this hair serum because the bottle was pink in color. No, I did not do that. This is a really good hair serum. I'm just taking a little bit and I'm going to run it through my hair. It's very important to ensure you protect your hair. So if you remember, I had used a heat protectant spray before I began with the blow brush, and now I have just added the hair serum to ensure there is extra protection for my hair and there's no damage due to the heat. Now wait for my final thoughts. Okay, so here's the final result. Can you see how beautifully blow dried my hair looks now? And I have only used this brush. I haven't used any straightener whatsoever. It has helped me ease out the texture that I had so beautifully to such a great extent that I'm really impressed. Plus the biggest advantage I think is that this is such a time saver. It's so convenient. I mean, can you imagine, you just have to brush your hair to get that blow dried effect when you're running short of time. It's that easy to use. Also, this is very lightweight. It's not heavy like those blow dryers. I mean, it's so easy to work with. You can actually travel along with it and set your hair whenever you like to. So all in all, this is a total win-win for me. Now before I end this video, I just wanted to quickly mention one more thing. When I was placing my order on Myntra, I ordered from Myntra because they had a very good deal on this. I was actually doubtful whether this is the original product or not because there was a very good offer. I got this for around 1900. So what I did was I reached out to the brand via email, and I think I had left a message on Facebook as well asking them if Myntra is the official reseller, and they did get back to me and confirm that it was. So I went ahead and placed my order through Myntra, and while I was talking to them, I just mentioned that I've used their other hairstyling products as well and I totally love them. So as a goodwill gesture, the brand sent me 2 of these combs. These are those pintail combs which we use for sectioning, for backcombing. So people who know hairstyling will know that these are of such great use. So I think this is such a great gesture by the brand. I totally appreciate it. I mean, each of these retail for $250 alone, and these are of very good quality. I have one of these already with me, and having these as a backup is a really great thing. So thank you, Alan Truman. I totally love these 2 combs, and most importantly, I love this blow brush, and this is totally worth your investment. And yeah, if you want to buy yours, and if you do, let me know in the comments below how you've enjoyed using it. I would love to hear your experience, and if you think that this video was helpful, then please hit the like button and share it with your friends who also will benefit from it. And most importantly, if you're watching my videos and haven't yet subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And until next time, please take care. I will see you soon. Bye bye.